Hello there, welcome to the Gist on Plug TV Live. On the Gist today, musician Kiss Daniel reveals he lost one of his triplets. Let's check out the details. Singer Kiss Daniels has revealed that he had a set of triplets but lost one 4 days after they were born, contrary to the belief that he had a set of twins. The Flyboy International record label boss made the revelation today after buying his boys a house in Lekki axis of Lagos. On the 1st of May, Kiss Daniel announced the birth of his sons named Jelani and Jalil in an Instagram post where he wrote, "There is no better way to celebrate my birthday than announcing the arrival of my sons Jelani and Jalil." A lot of people from the post and the picture believed that Kiss Daniel had twins, but he today revealed that he had triplets but lost one of the boys. He posted on Instagram, "God blessed me with 3 boys a while back, Jamal, Jalil and Jelani. Triplets. 4 days after I lost Jamal. Nevertheless, I made a promise to him that I would be the best father in the whole galaxy to his brothers. Congrats to the latest homeowners in town, Jelani and Jalil. My first gift to my sons. Hashtag Okorimeta." Kiss Daniel also attached in the post a picture of the document showing the allocation of the houses to his boys. A lot of people who misunderstood the initial post by Kiss Daniel have now come out to congratulate him and also sympathized with him on the loss of one of the boys. Kiss Daniel, since the announcement of the birth of his boys, have continued to show how much he cares for his children, and every time he made a post since May, it was always about his boys. In one of the posts he made on the 11th of June, Kiss Daniel captioned it saying, "First time away from my sons and I am already sad. Hashtag FaceTime." He sometime also in the month of June posted a video where he was rocking his boys, showing love and care for them. You can definitely say that Kiss Daniel makes fatherhood so cute. Let us know what you think about this story in the comment section. Remember to like and subscribe to Plug TV Live before you go.